So guys, today we'll be seeing how to grow spinach at home, that is in Hindi which is called as palak. So these are the seeds which I have got from Trust Seeds actually, and this is how the seeds look like of spinach. And now the soil is a mixture of 50% garden soil, 20% of the vermicompost, and it is 30% of the vermicompost and 20% of the bone meal which I have used here. And this is the size of the pot, around 5 inches maybe, and it is a rectangular pot which I am using. And now we'll spread all over the seeds here. So this is how you spread the seeds all over. So now we need to cover them with soil. So always to cover your seeds, try to use coco peat, because this is very lightweight and the seed will not face any problem in sprouting over. Because normal soil, if you use, it is a bit sticky, so it is difficult for the seeds to sprout out. So I'm just spreading coco peat all over. So now make sure that you're not pushing the seeds more than 1 inch below the soil. You should use the coco peat just to cover them. So now I have covered the entire soil with coco peat and I have not pushed it at all. I've gently covered them so that it will be easy for the seeds to sprout out. And now you just need to sprinkle water on this and just leave it in a shady area for at least 1 to 2 days. So finally, this is our harvest after almost 2 to 3 weeks, I think. It has come up very thick and it is completely filled with spinach here, you can see. So you can pick up all these big leaves which you can see over here and leave the small ones. There are a few small leaves also. You can just leave them or you can cut it also if you want. But then they have grown really very well and very healthy. So it takes almost 3 to 4 weeks to get harvested and you can use all of them. I think it will be 1 or 2 bundles of spinach which has been harvested in this rectangular tub. So I have harvested also spinach in both these small tubs. As you have seen, this is a very small plastic box actually. I have harvested in this and they have grew really very well. But then I have put the seeds really late. So might be it will take some time because the leaves are really small. And see here also you can see this is a very small pot, 7 to 9 inches pot this is. But then they have grew very well. See the size of the leaves. So you can grow actually spinach in any size of the pot. It really doesn't matter. You can grow in such small pots also. And in 3 to 4 weeks you can see very good growth.